How to send voice message on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to send voice message on iPhone. So let's begin. Before we start, you should make sure first that the one that you are sending a voice message to is also using an iPhone so that they may use the iMessage feature of iPhone. But if you are sending the voice message to, for example, an Android device, what I would suggest is to use the Messenger or other social media apps. But let's focus more on the messages of apps of iPhone. So simply open messages right here and then search for the person that you want to send. You may know that they are using iPhone as well or using iMessage because once you search for their name, this will appear, the blue name instead of the green one. So again, if there is a blue name or blue color, then that means that the person that you're sending to is using iMessage. And then you just simply click on the button right here on the rightmost part of the message box or where you type in messages. You may be able to see the audio or the record icon right there. And then what you are going to do is to simply press and hold on this button right here. So press and hold and then try to speak. So once you have done recording, you may now um, click on this button right here, this arrow one on the upper right as well. So click on it and then it will send afterwards. So just like that one. So that's it. That's how you can send voice message on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.